Our world is a battlefield, teeming with microscopic life engaged in a constant struggle for survival. A far more ancient and epic war rages unseen, the war between bacteria and their viral nemesis, bacteriophages. These phages are the silent guardians of our planet, keeping bacterial populations in check and shaping the very ecosystems we depend on. Recent scientific discoveries have illuminated the vital role phages play in global ecology and human health. As we grapple with the rise of antibiotic resistance, phages have emerged as a promising new weapon in the fight against infectious disease. Understanding these tiny warriors is crucial to harnessing their power and ensuring a healthier future for all. This essay delves into the fascinating world of bacteriophages, exploring their structure, abundance, and impact on bacterial populations. Imagine a microscopic spaceship, sleek and deadly, with a mission to seek and destroy. This is the essence of a bacteriophage. These viruses resemble intricate mechanical structures. Their protein coats or capsids often take on geometric shapes, most commonly an icosahedron. From this head extends a tail, sometimes long and contractile, resembling a spring-loaded syringe. At the end of this tail, fibers splay out like landing gear, enabling the phage to attach to its target, a specific type of bacteria. This lock-and-key mechanism ensures that each phage targets only a particular bacterial species or even specific strains within that species. Phages, with their targeted approach, offer a level of precision that holds immense promise for the future of medicine. Phages are ubiquitous, inhabiting every corner of the planet where bacteria are found. From soil and seawater to the depths of the ocean and even the human gut, these viral predators are an integral part of the microbial world. In fact, phages are the most abundant biological entities on Earth, outnumbering bacteria by an estimated 10 to 1. Scientists estimate that phages kill trillions of bacteria every second, playing a critical role in regulating bacterial populations and maintaining the balance of ecosystems worldwide. This constant phage predation has profound implications for the environment and human health. Phages influence the cycling of nutrients in the ocean and shape the composition of microbial communities in the soil. Understanding the complex interactions between phages and bacteria is crucial to harnessing the potential of these tiny entities. Section 4. The phage life cycle, a delicate dance of invasion and replication. The relationship between a bacteriophage and its bacterial host is a delicate dance of invasion, replication, and destruction. The phage's sole purpose is to hijack the bacterial cell's machinery to create more phages. The process begins with the phage's tail fibers attaching to specific receptors on the bacterial cell surface. Once firmly attached, the phage injects its genetic material into the bacterial cell, much like a syringe injecting its contents. Inside the bacterial cell, the phage's genetic material takes over. It hijacks the cell's machinery, effectively turning the bacterium into a phage factory. New phage components are synthesized, assembled, and packaged with copies of the phage's genetic material. The bacterial cell, now filled with new phages, bursts open, releasing the phage progeny into the environment to seek out new bacterial hosts. This cycle, known as the lytic cycle, is the most common type of phage replication. Section 5. The antibiotic crisis, a looming threat. For decades, antibiotics have been our primary weapon against bacterial infections. However, their overuse and misuse have fueled the rise of antibiotic resistance, a global health crisis. Bacteria have developed resistance to nearly every antibiotic at our disposal. The World Health Organization has identified antibiotic resistance as one of the top 10 threats to global health. Without effective antibiotics, common infections could once again become deadly, and routine medical procedures would carry significantly higher risks. The development of new antibiotics has slowed, unable to keep pace with the rapid evolution of resistant bacteria. This is where bacteriophages offer a glimmer of hope. Phage therapy has the potential to revolutionize the way we treat bacterial infections and provide a much-needed solution to the looming antibiotic crisis. Section 6, phage therapy, a beacon of hope. And phage therapy is not a new concept. It predates the discovery of penicillin, with early experiments dating back to the early 20th century. However, the advent of antibiotics overshadowed phage research. Now, with the rise of antibiotic resistance, phage therapy is experiencing a resurgence of interest. Unlike broad-spectrum antibiotics, phages can be selected to specifically target the pathogenic bacteria responsible for an infection. Success stories of phage therapy are beginning to emerge, offering glimpses of its potential. While more research is needed to optimize phage therapy, these early successes provide hope that this ancient approach to fighting infection could hold the key to a healthier future. Section 7. Conclusion: embracing the power of phages. The war between bacteriophages and bacteria has been raging for billions of years, shaping the microbial world. As we face the growing threat of antibiotic resistance, understanding and harnessing the power of these tiny warriors is more critical than ever. It is time to embrace the power of phages, not as a relic of the past, but as a beacon of hope for the future of medicine. By investing in phage research, clinical trials, and public awareness, we can unlock the full potential of these tiny warriors and secure a healthier future for all.